Hello everyone, welcome back on new lecture, and where I am just going to update you on my one course, that is the Learn VR Development Fundamentals in Unity step by step. So what was happening, like basically we have covered so many stuff here, and what I noticed, like we have also covered the Meta Movement SDK, and suddenly what happened, they have released new SDKs and I got lots of messages, questions, so that we create new content on the Meta XR movement SDK. Basically we are getting requests on the YouTube as well as on Udemy, on Discord channel. So why? Because in my one project I was using the Meta Movement SDK, and they release one update on the Meta OS, and after that update Meta Movement SDK stopped working on the multiplayer scenario. So I had to update, and also I learned the new stuff is really very changing. You will see there are lots of script that have been updated, or not even updated, the name have been also changed. So first of all, this part I will upload here so that people know that we have updated, and after that we will just going to replace this stuff, not all the things, but what we have integrated here, so that people know that what have been updated. And let me show you that what have been updated so that you can get the idea. So here I have just recorded the video, and let me play with you. So here you can see in the new update, you can see the performance is also better, and this stuff I have not covered, so I will also cover in the performance section of this video. So basically you can see the FT value is coming around 5000 and 6072 FPS. So performance wise it is also better. And one thing I noticed, like whenever I was trying to perform the locomotion, normal body tracking was really perfect, but whenever I was trying to do the locomotion, so hand and controller was getting separated in the sample scene from Meta. So that thing I have raised the issue on the GitHub. I will share with you, so that in case I will get the reply, I will share with you also here, as well as I will share that, so that in case you want to follow that thing, so you can follow. And after that I just remove my controllers from my hand, and now hand tracking is working. So whenever you are going to use the hand tracking it is working perfect. And in the update you are also getting the locomotion stuff. Like let's suppose I want to do the locomotion. So first of all we have the mirror avatar, and it is just little different as a previous one, but currently the body tracking is much more better and much more performant. And you can also perform the locomotion stuff, not only with the just walking, you can also teleport from one place to another by using the hand tracking. So that is a great feature. And in case you want to rotate, so you can see how I am rotating, just I am moving my thumbs left or right, so I am able to move. So that is the great integration. So I will teach you that how you can perform on the latest Unity 6 as well as latest Meta XR V81 version, as well as Meta Movement V81 version. So all thing is going to be latest, so you have to not worry about anything. And here I have created issue, like I just updated, they have updated, and then I started play around the things. So I was having two issue, so I dropped them. First one, like hand is getting separated, and I had same issue I think year back, but same thing I tried, but I was not able to resolve that thing. But might be we get the response in a few days. It happened 4 days, so hopefully we will get. And I really love the Meta XR, but in the stability I really hate the Meta XR SDK, but we have no any other choice because they have the great body tracking tool. So what we have to do, we have to keep updating our stuff whenever they are updating. So you try to update, or might be not frequent, but after the few updates you have to update. So currently I'm just going to share with you, I will record two video. First where I will share to you that how you can how you can integrate the body tracking on the character, and after that we will talk about that how you can perform the locomotion thing. So hope you are going to have fun, and I think I should also add some optimization thing in this course because people are really loving it. I'm getting lots of purchase, and I'm also getting lots of feedback. So I think it is the fundamentals, so I think I will also cover some fundamental stuff so that people get the latest stuff. And one more thing I want to point out, that people are saying that I have used the Ready Player Me, and Ready Player Me have been deprecated, they are not able to use. So friend, you can use any character, so you don't need to install any avatar system. Like here I must have mentioned the Ready Player Me, but you can use any avatar system. Like you can use the from the mix ammo, you create your custom, or you can use from any from asset store. So don't worry about RPM, you don't have to use the RPM always. Just I shared with you that this is the character you can use, but it is not compulsory. You can use any character, the process of the final IK integration is the same, so don't worry about anything. And here on the meta movement also the same thing applies, you can use any character, and I will share in the tutorial that what you have to follow to make work. On the animation part you have to just a little setting you have to perform. Most of time it have been already performed, but in case it is not, so we have to do. Okay. And one more thing, like we are also starting live training, so in the case if you are interested, so please reach out to me on Discord channel, and hope you are going to have fun on this course also. So see you in next part.